Hey guys, we're here now 7 weeks post-op on our beautiful mom patient. She had 2 babies. She gained 60 pounds during pregnancy, and it did a number on her skin and her figure, and she was not happy with that. So we did a mommy makeover, and we got a spectacular outcome. I'm so pleased for her. The most important part, I would say, is the tummy tuck here. She had a somewhat irregular C-section scar down here. That was a little bit lumpy bumpy. Also had a ton of wrinkly skin on her lower abdomen, especially if she bent over at all. It was crazy wrinkly, and she had a diastasis with laxity of the muscles of her abdomen. So we did a tummy tuck, tightened up the pubic area, got rid of that old C-section scar, got rid of all of the wrinkly skin, redid her belly button, and it had a beautiful impact on her. You can see the definition of the external obliques coming in here, the erectus abdominis muscles, the midline fascial definition, and she's still healing as the swelling totally resolves over the course of 6 months. Believe it or not, she's going to be looking even better. So in addition to the 360 liposuction around her waist and on her thighs, we also did gummy bear breast implants. We ended up using Sientra textured moderate plus profile implants. Those are the gummy bear implants. And we used 385 cc's through inframammary incisions on each side. As you can see, it made a big difference in her overall curves and giving her more feminine curves as opposed to a more boyish athletic figure. And it is not overdone, though. It's possibly considered natural in this case, what I would call LA natural, in that she's got pretty curves out there, but she can dress it up or dress it down depending on what look she wants. I'm really happy for her. I know that it's going to keep her motivated to take care of herself as she's taking care of those children at home now in her 40s. It's not always so easy for moms to carve out that time to take care of themselves and exercise hard and preserve what they've got, because it gets harder with each decade. But when somebody looks this good after surgery and they've experienced what it's like to not look that good, I know in her case and in so many of our patients, it keeps them motivated and invested in looking their very best, and that makes everybody happy, including me. So 7-week post-op early result on a beautiful mommy makeover.